Tidak mata pea, tidak mata pea, nak, tidak mata pea, tidak mata pea, Gymnastic. Peraí, da gymnastic, cara. Cara. Papa. Papa fait la gymnastique avec toi. Papa. Allez.
Peekaboo! I did peekaboo! Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. How is everyone doing? Well, as you can see, I've been MIA from our channel for a minute. That is because if you watch our previous vlog, you would have known that our son did his surgery a few days ago. So I've been spending all my time really focusing on him. Now that he's not doing so bad, he's recovering really well, we have decided to return. So we're back and he's doing really well. We're still away from home. We are currently staying in the city that our son did his surgery, because he have to go back and see his doctor at the hospital tomorrow, which would have been roughly for 5 days. And he's been doing very well, thank God. Thanks to everyone who sent me messages and send us prayers and everything. As you can see, he's back to his old self, and we just decide to go on the road today, seeing that we're in a new city, to view the city and look around, seeing that Tyler is doing better, that we're leaving tomorrow. So we're just gonna see, because we've been just here staying in our hotel rooms, haven't been doing much. So we're just gonna see what this city has to offer today. So we're just gonna look around and enjoy the day, even though it's not too beautiful outside today. It's a bit cloudy, but anyway, we're gonna head out and have some lunch and look around. We're gonna take you along with us. You guys will also see the hubby in a minute. He's getting ready, so I just decided to start the vlog till he gets ready. So we'll see you guys in a minute. We're at lunch and the hubby is here. Oh, Tyler is here with his baby, and the hubby is here. He has arrived. So we've ordered and we're waiting for lunch to arrive. I'm having escalope with a little white rice, and babe is having ham with fries. So we're about to grub. And Tyler already have his lunch. And babe drinking Coke. I'm having the same. So yeah, that's lunch. We're about to grub. We're here, all parked and ready to go. Ready to view this city. We've been to this city before, a few years ago, but we were here to do business, so we didn't really get to look around, shop around. So we're gonna do that today. So we're finally in the city, guys. Let's go this way because we don't know. I think that's the cathedral, guys. We don't know where the tourism center is, so let's go find it at the train station.
Yeah, but where is the train station?
We don't know. We're just gonna walk and check. Okay, you guys, we're doing a bit of tourism today. We're going to follow these little arrows in the middle. Well, not in the middle of the street. They have these arrows pointing to all the tourist areas. So we're gonna follow these, and see where it takes us. Huh? Ready? Babe's taking picture back there as usual. The cathedral is where the arrow takes us first. It's our first stop. So that's it. I don't know if you can see it from this point, but that's our first stop off the arrow is a cathedral. So we're going to keep following the arrow and see where else it leads us. Tyler is just chilling. The thing about these old streets in France, this is how they look. You see how they look? Like this? Like this? It's all stones. And I hate to push the stroller in the streets like this because Tyler is just rocking. This street's going to rock the brain out my child's head. But it's unique. Man. Oh, stop 10. There's some antique store.
Look when it is. That's only been
1483 this place was built. Oh my god, how crazy is that? So we're still following the arrows, guys. Wow, look at this behind me. Look at that. That's crazy. Look how pretty is that. Isn't that pretty? Don't babe?
Mm-hmm.
That is so brilliant. Of course, babe taking picture. You have to go to every angle to catch his perfect shot. I'm sure Tyler is going to fall asleep in a minute. You want to sleep, Bubba? You want to sleep? You can sleep if you want to, okay? Sure, he's gonna fall asleep in a minute. But he's enjoying his stroller ride. You guys won't be able to hear a thing that I'm saying. a music festival in all of France, but normally it would have been later in the afternoon that you see all the little bands around the city. But we're here a bit early, so we're just catching some of the early birds. Yeah, so that's a noise that you're hearing in the background while baby's searching for cards to buy, as we always do. Search for cards. When we go to somewhere new, we always send cards to the family or collect cards for ourselves. No, we're not hoarder, but we like doing fun stuff like that.
Honey wanted to bring the little boy on the carousel, so here we go. Here we go. She's just talking about it since about a month, trying to find one, because where we live it was one and it closed, so she just get excited now that she saw one. She's having fun like it's her on here. Look at them, little boy. It looks like the little boy wants to go out before the end. Usually the kids are excited about it, he just wanted to leave.
He doesn't want to stay on it.
Well, that's cute, he's having fun. Well, I guess the mom having more fun than the kid.
Like not a happy camper right now.
Going to the end. It's about to stop. Here we go. So, what?
He's not a happy camper. He wants me to hold him. He doesn't want to stay on.
Alright.
Like it.
Tyler, how was it?
Tyler prefer his stroller. You guys, we're trying to find the tourism office, and we're just walking in a circle, round and round and round and round again. It's true, we can't reach.
How to find your way without a map? How to find the way randomly? But you know, when you just walking randomly, sometimes
Yeah, but we're walking around in a circle.
Yeah, but we walk in different
Circles.
Not
Carousel ride was cool. I think I enjoyed it more than Tyler did. I'm
yes,
sure
you
about
did.
it. But
you know, that's a mom. Every mom knows that. Getting excited for the kid, like Christmas, you're gonna give a gift to your kid at Christmas. Who is the most excited? The mom. Mom is more excited. Does she know what is it? But
maybe when Tyler gets a bit older, he will like it. But for now, Tyler just wants to be in my arms. He doesn't want to ride the carousel at all. So we're still trying to find the tourism office with no luck, but we're still walking. You guys, you will never believe that the tourism office that we're looking for is exactly where we started. So we walk in a circle and come back at the exact same point where we started almost an hour ago. Can you believe that?
especially when it's just beside where
It's
we
babe's
park.
fault though, you know.
Okay, it's my fault. My glass is not as powerful.
I've walked enough in one day. I think I've walked enough for one day. So we're having a beer break. There it is. Yes, I like my beer with syrup, or I won't drink it. So babe having beer, and I'm having beer, and no, Tyler is not having the beer. Tyler is not having any beer. Tyler is here playing. as usual. We are back to our hotel room